The first feature you want to focus on now is the post feature. So let me just click on all posts so that you see how it look like. Then the default post that comes with the WordPress is Hello World. You can see default post Hello World, and which is what we have here, Hello World. The post is used to put articles. You use post to add articles to your website. Let's assume having a you are having you're actually making this site for a magazine. You will posting articles. So any frequent article, you can do that with posts. Any article that is frequent, and maybe let's say you're building it for a company, and for news you want them to let's say they want to put in updates for their customers, or news or feedback. You can use posts to do all those things. Any um, frequent article you be posting on the site, you can use posts to achieve that. So let me just post one article for you to see. So to add article, let's leave it default. To add article, just come to post and click on add new. And each post needs to come with a particular category. You need to add category to each post as the post is going. Then it's showing this because this is your first time of using this. It's showing this. You can click on next text to see how it look like. It is just and go through it. But in this case, this is how a typical post page look like. And mind you, is article. The article can be normal text article. It can be text and audio. It can be text and image, depending on what you want to achieve. But in this case, you want to achieve just text. So, and as you can see, say add title. I'll just put title. The title of this is my first article. That's my title. Then I can post the topic. I am happy to write this article. Then depending on how large the article is, then you can just paste it this way. You can add image, you can add anything you want to add, image, add audio. Then you can actually do some things like bold, underline. You can see I click on it now. Then if I click on a particular paragraph, it will bring all these features which I can add. You can click on it. You can see the header. Do I want to put head? Do I want it to be bigger? Do I want it to be smaller? Do I want to put group to put as a quote? Then I can come here and also do some other things in other paragraph. I can bold, I can italic, I can centralize, can align left, align right, depending on what I want to do. Then also you can actually link, or what they call hyperlink, link a particular word to a particular link. Let's say to a website. Let's say I want to put for more info, click here. Then I want to link that page to my contact page. I can just click here, then put some hyperlink, and if the link already exists on my website, I can search the name of the link and it will appear. But if the link does not exist on my website, I can just type the direct link. Let's say I'm linking it to ask.com. If that's the essence, I can just click on this, then just link it depending on what you want to achieve. Then if you check here, you see some other features. You can duplicate, you can use HTML and other features. These features, just like your normal Word document, your normal MS Word, or any depending on the Word company you're using, whether you're using Microsoft Word or you're using Open Office, depending on the Word document you're using. So, but if you can edit your normal Word document, you can actually play with this. This is just like a normal Word document. Then let's come to this other part. We have here, we have the default size. You want it to be small, you want it to be big, you can put your own custom size. Then you can put color, how do you want the color to look like, the background color of the page, and also of the text also. Then some other advanced features like CSS, which you can do if you want to. So that is basically what you can achieve with your post. Then that is what you can, that's basically what you can achieve with your post. Then if you are done, what you need to do, you can just come here and just click on publish and publish. I say publish. Is it? Click on publish. Then to appear on the website, and it won't give you the particular link. Now it has appeared on the website based on this. As simple as that, nothing much. This is just a simple text without image, just a simple text. We're taking it little by little for you to understand. So I've just published this, and as simple as that. So I want you to give it a try now. So we'll move to the next thing. So we are back. Yeah, we are still on the post, but I want to give you a part 2 of the post, of the post feature. There are some things you need to know about posts, and we publish our post. Then anytime you want to publish that same post, what they can do further is to update. When you modify it, you can always click on update. You can see the update is active. You can click on update. But if you observe, when we are publishing it, this was what you were saying. But if you click on document, this document here, if you click on document, you will notice that there's some other features. We have here visible. Then when you click on this visible, you will see public, private, then you see passworded. This is, you want the article to be on your website, but you don't want it to be visible to the outside world. So you can keep it as private. Then if you want to password the content so that people that can see this content, they will see the headline, but for them to be able to see the content, they will need to put in the password. You can password the content. When you click on this particular post and you put the password, nobody on earth will see that content except you give the person the password. Mind you can send the person the link, but the person won't be able to access the content except the person have the password. That is what you do with this password. Then let's go further. Then you can actually stick a post on the top of the blog. You want this post to appear. Any other post that come after this will appear underneath it. It will just be like the favorite post that will be at the top of any article you post. You can click on this to just tick on it will be on your front page without moving out. Then permalink has to do with the search engine friendly URL that it should have. Now it has given us it used the title of our article as our permalink, which means the site name slash slash blog slash this dash this dash this. So this is very search engine friendly, and this is a default feature that WordPress have. So that's permalink. That one you don't have to do anything here. I will show you how you can do a general permalink setting that will affect everything. Then each of your articles should have a category. Just like we have a category. Currently, when we are posting, we do not post any category, so automatically it put it under categorize. So, but you can actually click here to add your category. Let's say this category is about football. You can put the football. If that's the category you want to add, then you click on add as parent category. Let's say this article is under football, but it's under um is under a subcategory under football. Then you can click when you're writing the category, click on the category. It will ask you which subcategory, which major category you want to add it to under football. Then you can say okay for players, if there is subcategory under football, and you click on it. So this article will now be under the subcategory. It's under football as a category, but under a subcategory called player, if that's what we want to achieve. Then we have a tag. Tag is just like you tagging this post when people come to your website and mention, let's say this post is about football, but if someone comes to your website and type football, this post will be among the posts that will come out. Person come and type player, this post will be among the posts that will come out. I hope that is quite understandable. A tag is just like if you are used to Instagram or Twitter, you discover that most of the time you have hashtag. This is just like hashtag. You type a particular keyword and the particular article that relates to that keyword comes out, and it's also search engine friendly. It make your site to be search engine friendly. So any article you write, what you need to do is you look for the keyword that describe that article. Let's say this article is how to cook food, or how to cook rice. So your tag can be how to cook rice. Your tag can be rice. I hope that is clear enough. And you can add more than one tag. Then this feature image is the image you want to add. The image you want to add on your article. When you click on it, it will take you to your library, your system, for you to pick a particular image. I've just clicked on it. You can see it brought me here. It's here we have the upload image, we have the library image. Library image is the image on the website, but there's no image on the website because it's a new website. But upload image is the image on my system. So I will just click on select image to select image from my system. So I'm right here in my system. You can see these are different images on this system. So I can just click on any of the image I want to upload. I can click here, it will load. Then I can set that image as my feature image. I see the image is here. So which means that when the article appears, it will appear with this image. As it will appear the headline and also appear with this image. So if I'm okay with this, I can update. But mind you, I can also put image on the article body. As you are writing, you can actually put image. You put image on the article body. All these features can be added. It's as simple as ABC. There's no big deal. You can just play with this feature and see how you can. It's as simple as ABC. So let me just show you how you can add image on the main article. Let's say you want to add image under this place, under this article. You can just come here where you have this plus, click on plus, then click on image. Then you can upload from your system, or you can take from library, or you can add from URL. Let us just take from library, which we have one image which we've uploaded, which is this. You can just click on it and add. It's as simple as that. And you can actually modify it to suit what you want. You can replace it, modify it, add a link to it. You want it to be clickable, you can click, add here, put the link here, and you update. It's as simple as that. So I think we've covered the part 2 of the post feature. So let's move to the next thing. Make sure that when you are done, always update. So thank you.